To create a bias to finish the neckline and the sleeves, cut a strip 5.5 centimeters wide and give it slight stretch with the iron with some steam. Don't pull it too hard, just slightly. Next, fold it in half and press. Now your strip is ready to be used to finish the neckline edge. To finish the neckline, place your bias strip along the edge of the neck and stitch with seam allowance of 1.2 centimeters all the way around the edge. Then trim seam allowance to half, fold the strip up and edge stitch the strip. After this, the strip will be folded over and again stitched at the edge, very close to the edge all around. And that will be the finish of the neckline. And this is what the finished neckline looks like.